My name is Connor Bowden and I drive a 2016 Ford Mustang. I wanted to upgrade my cluster, the speedometer and odometer. I wanted the digital version because it looks so much better than the stock version. It's old and analog, and I like the new modern look and the different options in the digital dash. You can change the screens on it and get different feel each time you're driving. So if I wanted the track screen on it, I could do that and get more of a track feel or a regular, normal, everyday feel. I saw your YouTube videos and I saw that one YouTuber, he posted about, he got it from you guys. And so I always knew I'd go through you guys because it seemed the most professional and easiest process to go through. I think it'll be awesome. I think I'll love getting in and driving it every day and seeing the different screens and all the different options I can customize it with. I already love driving the car, but I'll love it even more now. It looks insane. So much better. It's such a big upgrade. Oh, they got rid of the other one already. Yeah, it looks amazing. The turn signal sounds different too. It sounds amazing. I love this. Oh, it's so cool. It's such a big upgrade. Feels like a brand new car, basically. It doesn't even feel like my car anymore. It feels like, I got a brand new car, basically, and just a big upgrade. Way more modern. It looks flush, it looks stock. It looks like the car came like this originally. Anyone that has a Mustang, I would definitely recommend. If you want a digital dash, get the upgrade for sure. It's worth every penny.